Welcome back to the Crystalina Perspective. On this channel, I do all things nursing, planning, and lifestyle related. If you're interested in seeing this unboxing from Victoriously Made, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I want to go ahead and get this video started. I first off want to apologize if you hear any background noise. I will try to add some music or something, but I won a planner from Victoriously Made and I am so excited that I finally received it so that I can show you guys. The packaging is superb. First off, this mauve rose pinkish color along with this rose gold detailing is absolutely beautiful. Look at this, y'all. It has a handle. I'm a sucker for packaging that is functional and that works, and this works so well for me. So as you guys can see, I have not opened this package whatsoever. It's completely sealed. On the other side, it has a thank you with the website and the packing label. And yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up. Okay guys, so this package is heavy. The planner, this box is so nice, so lovely. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay guys, so as you can see, you see the rose gold vibes that it's giving off. It's a 2021 to 2022 planner, Victoriously Made, and it says made to win right there. So I am loving all of the beautiful simplicity of this planner, and it is just beautiful. So we're going to open it up, and y'all, it's cute. Oh my gosh. So you get two little seals right here. They're very pretty, really pretty. And then you get this cute note that is signed by the owner, and basically she says here, I'm assuming you put one of these here for your purchase, and there is also a coupon. And then this is the planner. Y'all, I'm loving the size of this planner. It's like an A5 size. Do I have an A5 size nearby? I don't, but y'all, she's thick. She is thick. Look at this beauty, y'all. Look at this beauty. Oh my God. Look at this beauty. She has the hard corners. She has the coiling right there. She's beautiful. She is beautiful. Let me move this out the way. Okay guys, so when you open this planner, you have a pocket right there, and then of course you have this planner belongs to, which is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm loving all of the pink. You have a 2020 calendar, and then you have a 2021 calendar and a 2022 calendar, which is really good for planning. And then this is beautiful. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. So there is a scripture right here. And then this planner starts in June of 2021, which is this year. And so, oh my God, y'all, I love this. This is so nice. So you can do your monthly goals, your weekly goals, your daily goals. You can do your habits and track them. Love that. People to call, text, and email. This is so nice. And then this is your monthly for the month of June. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. And there's your monthly, and then your weekly is actually a horizontal layout, which I've been wanting to try a horizontal layout. You have your to-do list, your horizontal layout there, and then let's see here. It goes all the way until the end. Wait a minute, y'all. The last day, you have a bigger day, and then you have a monthly reflection where you ask yourself if you accomplish your goals, what were some challenges, what were some wins, and then how you can improve for next month, and notes. And then you have notes pages, y'all, and then another scripture. This is just beautiful. I am loving this so much. This is so nice. Like, look at this, y'all. This is nice. This is nice. Look at this. Then right here, this is really nice. Like, y'all, look at this planner with all of the encouragement and positivity. I absolutely love it. Like, I love it. And this planner goes through December of next year. So it starts June of this year and goes through December, which is like a 18-month planner. Like, that is so dope. Like, that is so entirely dope. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh. November. Then we have December. And then let's see. And then we have the end. And the end is just this back cover. And you can easily put you a pin loop at the back. I have several pin loops laying around here. And that is the planner. Like, y'all, OMG. This planner is so nice, and it's so petite and compact. Like, look at this planner. OMG. It is so nice. Like, look at it. So I want to give a huge shout out to Victoriously Made and thank them so much for selecting me as one of the giveaway winners. Y'all, this is a really nice planner. If you're in the business of looking for a really good 18-month planner, you should check them out. I'll try to keep coming back to show you guys how I use this planner. And yeah, so we are going to put her back in all of her glory. Oh my God, it is beautiful. So she is back in one piece. Go check out Victoriously Made. You guys really should go check them out. Like, oh my gosh, this planner will set you up for success. So go check them out. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please also like and share. And most importantly, please subscribe. Until our next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.